Shadeston.com is an online store that claims to offer fashion clothing like jackets, tops, jeans, and hoodies at unbelievably low prices, but is it really legit or just another scam? After thoroughly checking the website, several red flags become apparent, such as a lack of genuine customer reviews, copied product images, and no clear information about the company's history or location. The prices seem too good to be true, which often raises concerns about quality and authenticity. Additionally, the website's policies, including refunds and returns, appear vague and questionable, making it unclear whether customers can easily get their money back if something goes wrong. While some shoppers may have received their orders, others have reported issues like delayed shipping, poor product quality, or even no delivery at all. The website also lacks strong social media presence or customer engagement, which is common with unreliable online stores. Considering all these factors, Shadeston.com doesn't provide enough trust signals to confidently say it's a safe place to shop, and buyers should proceed with caution before making any purchases.